Can I have my little goodie? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this makeup and outfit looks familiar, it's because I did film a video just before I'm filming this, but I wanted to come to you guys and do an unboxing because I did recently get an item from Louis Vuitton and I just want to share it with you guys because I'm trying to do more unboxings this year because you guys really want to see a collection, but I don't feel comfortable doing a handbag collection, so I figured I can do more unboxings. But I will be doing an SLG collection probably next month when I finish getting my last few items that I want or that are already ordered. So today we have a special Louis Vuitton limited edition unboxing. I'm going to annotate something here if you want to skip through all my talking and get right to the unboxing. But you guys know I always have a story for everything. So if you guys watched my Louis Vuitton wish list last year, I believe in December, maybe, or in November, I talked about the Kabuki collection, which I have been so out of the loop, you guys. If you guys know of any Instagram page to follow to get the latest updates on Louis Vuitton releases or anything like that, please leave it down below, because I'm just so busy with work and trying to have a personal life that I don't even know what collections are coming out. But I like to add to my collections, so I was looking through Instagram and I realized that Louis Vuitton had their cruise collection, I believe, come out. And I think this came out in October or September 2017. And the collection was so cute. It was Japanese themed. You guys know I'm part Japanese, so anything that's Japanese themed I need. And the first thing that I really saw that I wanted was the BB bandeau, the Kabuki collection. But I just thought that that was so nice, and I love the bandeaus. I think they're very versatile, so I really wanted that, but it was sold out everywhere. But I have found it on the pre-owned market, so I may or may not get it. Then I started looking at the bags, and I really just didn't have that much money to spend at that time because I was saving for another purchase. But I really like the Neverfull, just in case you're wondering. So I saw this item online one night and it was available, and I said, okay, you've been wanting a smaller this type of item for a while, why don't you get it? So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So like I said, I ordered this online and I had it shipped to the store because I'm not at home during the day, so I knew I had to go pick it up. So I had it shipped to the Saks Fifth Avenue in Atlanta, and I got the holiday packaging, which I think is so cute. And it came with a Louis Vuitton exhibit, the Voles, Vogues, and Voyages. I wish that I was able to see this exhibit. This is one of the times when I wish I was still living in New York, but unfortunately I just didn't have enough time to get up there this holiday season. But those of you who went, it just looked like it was so much fun and so interesting. So here's my receipt. In here I have, and I need to start keeping my Louis Vuitton receipts. I don't tend to keep them. I don't know why. So I have my receipt. I have a thank you from ordering from louisvuitton.com. And then I believe this is my return voucher, which I don't need because I'm not returning this. And then in here we have our little box. So cute with the holiday ribbon. And dun 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 dun. Ooh, it came with an extra ribbon. And it came with some information. This is just about the cruise collection 2018. It just talks about the different canvas and all that stuff. So this is my item. Can you guys guess what it is? You probably can, like it's tiny. So I decided to get the limited edition Kabuki stickers zippy coin purse. Now, how adorable is this, you guys? I just love this. I mean, I like this side more than the actual Kabuki stickers, which I think they're masks, but I just think that that print is so gorgeous. It looks like a lotus flower or something. I'm not necessarily sure. Sometimes these little eyes look a little creepy, but I just love this. Basically, I was in need, well, I mean, kind of. I was in need of a compact wallet because for my smaller, more compact bags, I don't always like to use a card holder. So I think it's essential for any collector to have like a smaller compact wallet. And I really like the fact that this is very slim and you can still fit the necessities in here. So it features a zip around, and inside it's black. It's probably, this is leather. And this piece was made in France. It comes with the little thing that talks about the textile. It's coated fabric and cowhide leather lining. This wallet, if you're not familiar with it, has 2 card slots on the right side and 2 card slots on the left side. It also features a pocket back here and another one on the opposite side. You have space in the gussets between the actual card spaces to hold extra cards or cash, and then you have this slot in here for coins. Now, I have always wanted a compact wallet, but I was never truly interested in the zippy wallet because it's really kind of basic looking. But I find that because it has the limited edition screen silk print or whatever it is on top of it, it really gives it a little pop. And I find that I like to have small leather goods that are limited edition pieces because I tend to like things like this, just very basic, boring pieces for my actual bags. So I really like having this in the special edition, something that I will keep forever, and that's also sentimental to me because it's Japanese theme inspired. So yeah, I don't really think it's necessary to do a review on this product, but yeah, it's a zippy coin purse and I love it. I think it is so cute. If you go online, they do still have some of these pieces online. I'm not sure as far as if they're in store. I haven't really gone into a store in forever, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my new wallet, and I just think it's so gorgeous. So yeah, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.